Ecosystems. Introduction to desert life. Imagine a place with only a few drops of water to drink all year long. A place where the sun can be so hot that rocks are too hot to touch. If this were your home, how would you survive? Where would you find water? How could you keep cool during the summer? The plants and animals that live in the desert have special ways of dealing with these things. They have adaptations that allow them to survive. All deserts have very little water available for the plants and animals. The rainfall amount in a desert area averages 10 inches, 25.4 centimeters, or less each year, and the wind and sun evaporate much of the water that reaches the ground. But plants and animals are very good at using whatever water is available. The kangaroo, rat, and pocket mouse get all the moisture they need from the seeds they eat and never have to take a drink of water. And desert wildflower seeds wait until a good rainy season. Then they sprout, make flowers, set seeds, and die, leaving the seeds to last through the rest of the hot, dry year until the rains come again. Deserts can also be very hot. Summer temperatures of 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius are common in some areas. Most animals could not survive being exposed to this kind of heat for very long unless they can find ways to avoid it. Several animals, such as rabbits, ground squirrels, and some insects, spend the hottest part of the day underground in tunnels and burrows, where it is several degrees cooler. Others, such as lizards and snakes, might seek the shade between or underneath rocks. Nocturnal animals, such as owls, scorpions, pack rats, kit foxes, and bats, avoid the sun altogether and leave their homes to hunt for food after the sun has set. Temperatures at night can be as much as 50 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than those during the day. The green leaves of a plant are very important because they make the plant's food. But some of the plant's water can escape through the leaves, and desert plants need to hold on to all the water they have. So the leaves of bushes, shrubs, and trees that live and grow through the hot summer are often special. They must be covered in short hairs, like the brittle brushes, to trap moisture before it can escape. The leaves of the cresciote bush are tough and leathery with oils on the outside to keep most of the water inside the leaf. Desert holly is pale green during the year to reflect back some of the sunshine. In the hot summers, the leaves turn almost white to reflect even more of the sun's rays. The Palo Verde tree has small leaves that it drops when water is not available. The tree then makes its food with its green branches. Palo Verde means green stick instead of its leaves. Short-lived wildflowers, underground burrows, nocturnal activity, different kinds of plant leaves. Those are just a few of the ways desert life survives. And on the bottom of the page are all of these examples of the different plants that I mentioned.